Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dawal Mehta, and today we will understand how to do advanced filtering on dates. To understand this, we will go on the canvas of Power BI. First, we will create the table. So, click on the table. In the columns, drag and drop subcategory. Pick up the sales and drop it into the columns. Pick up the profit and drop it into the columns. Now, enlarge this table. The filtering of this table is to be done on the basis of dates. So I'll pick up the order date from here and drop it into the filter. Activate the advanced filtering from here. Now you can see here the options which are shown are on the basis of categorical variable. It does not consider that this is a date, and therefore we will have to change this data type. How we can do this? Double click on this order date, and here you will have to convert this text into the date. As soon as I change this to date, see the changes which happen here. Click here. Yes. See the changes? Now, go here and activate is on or before. So show me the data which is on or before January 1, 2004. See the changes which happen in this table. Apply the filter. Can you see this? Now it only displays the data which is on or before 1st January 2015. You can specify the range of the dates also by activating another option from here is on or after or on or before. So this was all about how to use advanced filtering on dates in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.